Do you want to have a tool that allows you to keep track of who posts what and when on your WordPress website? Meet WP Scheduled Posts, an editorial calendar tool that helps in streamlining your content strategy and maximizing productivity for your WordPress website. Check out the following product review and discover a great deal for you and your business. Instead of using spreadsheets, organize your postings with a simple month-by-month review of your material. The simple drag-and-drop functionality makes it simple to create, edit, and move postings. WP Scheduled Posts enables you to handle numerous authors in one location, whether you're working alone or with others on the same piece of content. By indicating the time and date you want the article to go online, you may plan your content and schedule hundreds of posts in advance. Then set it and let it go. WP Scheduled Posts will publish it on your behalf automatically. WP Scheduled Posts will therefore automatically share the post on social media as soon as it goes live. There is no need for additional tools or third-party websites to perform the automatic sharing on Twitter or Facebook. It's difficult enough to keep track of what and when you're posting. However, add a co-author or content team and watch things spiral out of control. It's time to stop spending hours working on spreadsheets and creating countless iPhone reminders. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? It's time to stop spending hours working on spreadsheets and creating countless phone reminders. Try it now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.